Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I've been still posting on TikTok. Um, but I just decided to get on today and show how I did this look, and I've done something similar, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the video since it's kind of similar, but I guess I'll go ahead and go over what I used. And by the way, I've already been out doing my errands, so my makeup might be a little getting old or shiny a little bit, but I just had to come on and say hello because I hadn't been on for a while. So I used my Winter Wonderland palette from Cosmic Beauty, and I wanted to do like a purple look. So let me see. First off, I put down some bases so that way the colors would pop more. So I used P. Louise. There's this one. Color is this? Oh, Vivid Violet. So I use that in the inner corner. And then on the outer corner, I used, what is this one called again? Ecstasy. This is another P. Louise base. So it's a darker purple. Put that on the outside. So then I blended under the brow with a color from the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette by Morphe. I used this brown called G Money. Under the brow. And then I went into the inner corners in the Cosmic Beauty palette. I used Calm, this one here. And then in the middle, I used Breathe in the middle of the lid. And then on the outer, I used this dark purple called Magical. And just blended it out. And then lower lash line, I used this eyeliner from Moira. Supernova Multi-Chrome Gel Liner in Zora. I used that at the bottom. And then I went over it again with the Breathe color that I put in the middle. And so then I wanted to put one of my Carla, because it's a Cara too. Carla Beauty pigments on, and it's called Cry Baby. Yeah. And it's real pretty. It's a purple base, but then it has like, let me show it in the cap. I don't know if it'll be, I just popped it. Pigments can be messy, but you can see that light purple, and it's got like a blue shift. It's got some blue and green and gold shimmer in it. I just popped it all over my hands. So I put the, this is also by Carla. This is their mix or fix potion, whatever they call it, that you can put down to get the pigments to, it's just a clear gel looking base that you put down. And then I put the shimmer on top. So I don't know if you can see the shift or not, but it's real pretty in person. Sometimes these iridescent, I love them, but cameras and pictures don't do it justice. But yeah. So that's how I did the eyes. I used some lashes from Crystal Cosmetics, or what is it called? Crystal something. Crystal Lashes. And these are in the style, what I do at the box. I wasn't prepared. I said, I'll just go ahead and throw this on the video and didn't have everything together. I apologize. But yeah, they're Crystal Lashes. And for the face foundation, I'm using Estee Lauder. And again, this is in 7W1 Deep Spice. For blush, I'm using the NYX Ombre blush. I don't know if they still have this still, but it's called Code Breaker. And for a highlight, I'm using Magnolia Makeup in Soul Glow. For the highlight, if you can still see it. And for lips, I'm using two things. I'm using the Kimchi, again, lipstick and marshmallow lipstick and Whoop Whoop. Whoop Whoop. Pretty nude pink. And then like I line the outer lips with this Scratch by Cat liquid lipstick. Is in the color Teddy. So I just went on the outside kind of like a liner and blended it in with the pink, and that's how I got the lip. So I think that was it, and I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching and being patient with me. Bye.